Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a countdown of the top 5 mega developments going on in Jamaica right now. So guys, let us know what you think of our top 5 and also mention your top 5. Leave the 5 I guess you could say the 5 largest developments or the 5 most important developments going on in Jamaica right now. Leave your comments or leave your list in the section below. So we have SOL Harbor in Ocho Rios as number 5. Now, as you know, Ocho Rios is a tourist town, and this development is going to, it's 2 towers or 7 floors each. It's going to be mostly studios, and these are perfect for Airbnb. Perfect. So this development is going to add a new dimension to Ocho Rios, and it's going to add a lot more Airbnb locations. Now, number 4, we have as Highway 2000, which is the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. We are out by Melrose Hill now, where the highway merges with the Melrose Hill bypass. We're just going to show you a section of the highway. Now, this highway has opened up central Jamaica. You can get from Kingston to Mandeville in 40 minutes. You can get from Maypen to Mandeville in 15 minutes. And this to the right is the Highway 2000. It's a toll road, but it's actually free because of basically it's free. You can go from Maypen to Mandeville for free. This is what you call a game changer for this side of the highway. To get from Maypen to Mandeville in 15 minutes is going to open up this side of the island. And the highway goes all the way from Kingston to Mandeville. As we said, 40 minutes. Game changer. Now the highway is free because NROC, which is a government agency, and the government basically built the road, and Trans Jamaica Highway, who operates Toll Plaza, has a concession for trying to collect the toll on the highways. The person who built the highway does not have the right to collect the toll. And they don't seem to be, basically, NROC wants Trans Jamaica Highway to pay for the building of the highway, basically buy it from them. They say no, so right now the toll is free. Okay, number 3 is the Rio Aguilera Hotel in Cooper's Pen, Trelawney. Now, this hotel is actually the 7th hotel that Rio has in Jamaica, but look at the massive structure they have built. This hotel is going to help cement Trelawney or Cooper's Pen as a major tourist area in Jamaica. And many more hotels are going to be built in this area. And this hotel is going to open on May 4th. It's a massive structure. And there are 2 other hotels in this area. But with Rio coming, definitely has put Cooper's Pen as the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica. And as we said, many more hotels are going to come here because of Rio. And Trelawney between Ocho Rios and Montego Bay, which are 2 major tourist towns. So Cooper's Pen is now the fastest growing tourist area in Jamaica because of this hotel. Now number 2 is the Pinnacle. The Pinnacle is a massive development. It is what you call a mega development in Jamaica. Not only Jamaica, the Caribbean. This development is to build 4 towers at 28 floors each. Yes, 4 towers, 28 floors each in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And as you can see, very nice, very nice. It's going to be built by the Montego Bay Reserve, and it's out by ready. Now, 3 of the towers are going to be residential, and 1 is going to be a hotel. But this is what you call luxury. This is a luxury development, and it's being built in a major tourist, the number 1 tourist town in Jamaica. And these towers are 28 floors, will be the tallest building in Jamaica and the tallest building in the Caribbean. Massive developments. It has started, and we'll keep you guys updated. All these developments that we're showing you, we have videos up on them that give a lot more information. But today we're just doing a countdown, a top 5. And that look at the view. That's the actual construction site there. Now, number 1 is the Morant Bay Urban Center. This development has put St. Thomas on the map. St. Thomas was known as the forgotten parish in Jamaica, but no more. St. Thomas is now what probably outside of the North Coast is the hottest parish in Jamaica for development. Everybody wants to have a location or a presence in St. Thomas. So this is the Morant Bay Urban Center. KFC is going to be over here. KFC was never in St. Thomas before. No location there anymore. Burger King, same thing. We're never in St. Thomas. They're there now. Juicy Patty. You're going to have courthouses. What you're looking at is actually the commercial section where you can rent space, set up your office, whatever you want to set up. There's an industrial space. Banks are going to be over here. The parish council, the municipal corporation, Heart is going to be over here. NCB is going to be over here. The courts are going to be over here. Never before has a single development done so much for a parish. Now, it's being built by China Harbour Engineering Company. Massive development. This is a mega development. It has done so much for St. Thomas. And it's so successful that they're going to be building more of these across the island. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.